Okay, attention everybody. It's 12 o'clock. Time for the dog show. Junebug. Junebug is a Welsh Springer Spaniel. Next up is Ray, a Beagle Hound mix. The favorite thing about this dog is he can sing to harmonica. Alrighty. Next up is Luke Schumann. It's also an English Springer Spaniel. Okay, next up is Paddington. Oh, he's doing tricks already. Yeah. Wow, through the legs. Yeah. Can we do the foxtrot? Shelby's a border collie. There she goes. She's got the ball. Come on, buddy. Come on, Shelby. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where's Rocky? Okay. Rocky is a French Bulldog being shown by
Lori.
Okay. Very affectionate, loves people, and allegedly dances. Oh, good job. Yeah, good job. Dolce. This is Tico, okay, and Tico is a
Yorkie Poo.
A Yorkie Poo. Okay. Very patriotic today. Alrighty. You can stop. Everybody's had a chance to look at you. Rocky gets the award for Best Dancer.
Swirl. Swirl. Oh, yeah.
Paddington gets the award for Best Jumper.
There she goes.
Ah, there's the jumper. Okay. Yeah. Good job. You get first place for being the best fetcher. Yeah. Do we have a Luke? You know what you get the prize for? Best sitting and pawing. Now we have a Junebug. You know what you get the prize for? Nicest dog. Ray. The prize is the best singer because she sings to her harmonica. Then we have Dolce. Without any doubt, Dolce gets the prize for the best show dog.
Thank you.
This is Tico. Tico, you get the prize for the most patriotic dog at the North Oaks Dog Show. Thank you everybody for bringing your dogs around today. Enjoy the rest of the show here in the fair.